Hello. For many of us, Wednesday was wet and it was windy too. And we do hang on to some heavy rain and some strong winds across many areas through the evening and overnight. And later on the night, as that rain bumps into some colder air across Scotland, an increasing risk of snow across some northern parts of the country. So let's start off by taking a look at these strong winds. Strongest of the winds are always across England and Wales. We could see gusts even inland up to 60 miles an hour, more than this across exposed parts. So this could cause some local disruption. We do have a yellow warning in force here. It's not just the strong winds, there are also some heavy outbreaks of rain moving their way from west to east across much of the country. Some of this rain will be heavy, persistent, and always heaviest across northern England and southern Scotland too. Parts of Cumbria could see in excess of 4 inches of rain by the end of the night, giving some localised flooding here. But as that rain bumps into the colder air that's lodged its way across Scotland, then an increasing risk of snow. The snow risk always greatest to the north of the central belt. We could see up to 5 to 10 centimetres, even at fairly low levels. More than this over higher ground, so we have another warning in force, this time for heavy snowfall. By the end of the night, temperatures will be fairly close to freezing across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, that bit milder further south across England and Wales. So it could be a fairly difficult driving conditions first thing across Scotland, particularly to the north of the central belt. Quite quickly though, through the morning, that snow will push off into the North Sea. And in its wake, actually we're looking at a much brighter day to come across the bulk of the country, more in the way of sunshine around compared to Wednesday. But a fair few showers coming down and a fairly strong wind across northern and western parts, again quite wintry in nature. Further south though, 1 or 2 showers, but many areas escaping with a dry and fine day. Still fairly mild across parts of the south and southeast, 12 or 13 degrees. For most areas, temperatures closer to where they should be for the end of November. Looking ahead to Thursday evening and overnight then, for most central and northern parts, we see a mixture of clear spells and a few showers, again wintry in places, but across the south a band of cloud and outbreaks of rain sweeping their way across southern counties, some of this rain quite heavy in nature. By the end of the night, it will be fairly cold across many central and northern parts, temperatures falling close to freezing across parts of Scotland, still fairly mild across the far southeast, but a much cooler night compared to this coming one. A quick look ahead to Friday then, and after a fairly frosty start, a fair amount of sunshine through the day, but we hang on to a fair few showers in the north and the west, again falling as snow, particularly across Scotland, and another band of cloud and rain sweeping across southern areas through the day, with again some of this rain quite heavy. But by this point we're all into the colder airflow across the country, temperatures ranging from 5 in the north, 8 or 9 degrees in the south, and feeling particularly chilly in that wind.